So you have an animated geometry and you want to remesh it, but you want to remesh it and also keep a constant poly count, so remeshed geometry doesn't change its poly count on every frame. You can achieve it using a point deform. The first input is a mesh you want to deform. In this case it will be a remeshed geometry you want to deform, and second input will be a rest position of the original geometry, and the last input of the point deform will be a original geometry which is animated. And if you preview it, remeshing doesn't change and it keeps a constant poly count. Without remeshing, poly count changes on every frame, and if you preview simulation, this is what you will get. And that's it. Thanks.